Hey guys, it's Kerry. I'm featuring some new sea animals today. Shastasaurus. It is an extinct genus of ichthyosaur that lived during the late Triassic period. It grew to 7 meters or 23 feet in length. Angel shark. They possess extensible jaws that can rapidly snap upwards to capture prey and have long needle-like teeth. They bury themselves in loose sediment. Salmon shark. It is an apex predator. Salmon sharks have the ability to regulate their body temperature. Goldfish. They are the most commonly kept freshwater fish species across the globe. Largemouth bass use scent mainly to attack and ambush prey. They are a game fish. A fish is an aquatic, craniate, gill-bearing animal that lacks limbs with digits. Approximately 95% of living fish are ray-finned fish. Most fish are ectothermic or cold-blooded. Leatherback turtle. It is the largest of all living turtles and the heaviest non-crocodilian reptile, reaching lengths of up to 1.8 meters, which is nearly 6 feet, weighing 500 kilograms. They are easy to recognize. Instead of having a bony shell, their carapace is covered by oily flesh and flexible leather-like skin. Green sea turtle. Sea turtle. The 7 existing species of sea turtles are the flatback, green, hawksbill, leatherback, loggerhead, Kemp's Ridley and olive ridley sea turtles. Sea turtle. They don't have teeth. They use their beak-like mouth to grasp their food. This beak is made of keratin, just like our fingernails. Red-eared slider turtle. It has a small red stripe around its ears, or where its ears would be. They are known for being able to slide into the water. It has a dorsoventrally depressed body with specially adapted flipper-like front limbs and a beak. They have a triangular-shaped head with a somewhat hooked beak with large crushing surfaces. Kemp's Ridley sea turtle is the rarest species of sea turtle and is the world's most endangered species of sea turtle. And is a hatchling. Turtles don't have teeth. They use their beak-like mouth to grasp their food. Their beak is made of keratin. Pufferfish can be fatal to both humans and dogs. The fish doesn't have to be eaten, even just chewing or licking can lead to a serious case of poisoning. Blue groper. It is endemic to Australia. It is found in coastal marine waters. Anglerfish. Males are very small and rely on the females to live. The females do all the hunting with their lure-like projection. Fin whale. They are the second largest whale species on Earth, second only to the blue whale. Basking shark. They are the second largest fish in the ocean, growing to a maximum length of over 15 meters. They have been observed leaping out of the water, which may be a way of getting rid of parasites. They spend most of their time near the surface, swimming with their extraordinarily large mouths open, filtering out their preferred prey. Mosasaurus is a marine reptile that lived during the late Cretaceous. It had a streamlined body, an elongated tail ending with a downturn supporting a two-lobed fin, and two pairs of flippers. Mosasaurus was part of a group of mosasaurs known as aquatic squamates. The largest discovered specimen of Mosasaurus had a length of up to 17 meters or 56 feet. Mosasaurus was a carnivorous aquatic hunter, and their prey was most likely fish, other marine reptiles, birds, pterosaurs, smaller mosasaurs, and maybe even land dinosaurs. The teeth of a Mosasaurus were shaped like sharp spikes, allowing them to grip and hold on to slippery prey. Their double-hinged jaw allowed Mosasaurus to swallow its prey whole. They spent most of their time near the ocean surface, much like modern whales, since they breathed air in a similar fashion. Goblin shark. Their top and bottom teeth are attached to ligaments or bands of skin tissue tucked into its mouth. When prey is just out of reach, the shark extends the elastic tissue out of the mouth to catch prey. Elephant seal. They take their name from the large proboscis of the adult male, reminiscent of an elephant's trunk and considered a secondary sexual characteristic. The bull's proboscis is used in producing extraordinarily loud roaring noises, especially during the mating season. Males display their dominance by showing their noses, making loud vocalizations, and altering their postures. They fight each other by raising themselves and ramming each other with their chests and teeth. Cuttlefish. They belong to the class Cephalopoda, which also includes squid, octopus, and nautiluses. Reef squid. They have two large complex eyes, 8 short arms near their mouths, and 2 longer tentacles tucked inside, armed with suckers to capture prey. Dugong. They are referred to as sea cows because they use their strong, cleft upper lips to graze on sea grasses. Manatees never leave the water, but typically come up for air every 5 minutes. Their powerful tail fluke propels them through the water. Right whale. They have one of the largest penises in nature, especially in rorqual, which are filter-feeding whales. It is up to 4 meters or 12 feet in length and is coupled with a pair of 1-ton testicles. The whale's prehensile penis is also surprisingly agile, controlled by 2 muscles anchored around the pelvis. By pulling with various degrees of tension, the muscles not only give the penis a good range of motion, but they also allow it to change shape based on the entry angle and the anatomy of the target female's genital area or vulva. Sperm competition is important in mating, which correlates to the fact that right whales are highly promiscuous. Giant squid. They have a mantle, 8 arms, and 2 longer tentacles. The arms and tentacles account for much of the squid's great length, making it much lighter than its chief predator, the sperm whale. The inside surfaces of the arms and tentacles are lined with hundreds of subspherical suction cups. Giant squid and some other large squid species maintain neutral buoyancy in seawater through an ammonium chloride solution which is found throughout their bodies and is lighter than seawater. Megalodon was known to have eaten whales. Its jaw would span 2.7 to 3.4 meters wide, easily big enough to swallow 2 adults side by side. These jaws were lined with 276 teeth. Its bite force would have been 5 or 6 times more than a great white shark. Great white shark? This one's by Funko. They have the ability to roll their eyes back when they encounter prey to protect their eyes from sharp claws or barbs. Killer whale? They are incredibly social, diverse and ferocious marine predators with a diet ranging from penguins to the occasional great white shark. They almost never attack humans. Salmon? They are anadromous. They hatch in the gravel beds of shallow freshwater streams, migrate to the ocean as adults and live like sea fish, then return to freshwater to reproduce. Coelacanths? Notice the fins on the bottom. Clownfish? They have a strict hierarchy with the most aggressive female at the top. Koi fish? In Japan, they stand for anything that's good. Luck, prosperity, vitality and longevity. Koi fish? They originate from the amur carp. Clown triggerfish? It erects the first long dorsal spine to impress opponents or to avoid a predator. Queen triggerfish? It can change colour to match its surroundings or if subjected to stress. Kemp's Wrigley hatchling? They reach maturity between 7 and 15 years of age. Anglerfish? They are bony fish, named for their characteristic mode of predation in which a modified luminescent fin acts as a lure for other fish. Coelacanths? They are nocturnal piscivores that feed mainly on benthic smaller fish and various cephalopods. They are passive drift feeders. Angel shark? Their unique features are the rounded tip of the nose, the 7 gills instead of 5 and only 1 dorsal fin. Anomalocaris? They are extinct. They are distantly related to modern-day arthropods, including crabs and lobsters. Cretoxyrhina was a genus of nautiloid cephalopod from the Permian period that resembled a spiny ammonite. Cretoxyrhina was one of the largest sharks and a formidable predator in the late Cretaceous seas. Crocodile? They eat mainly fish, turtles, birds and other small animals. They capture water animals in their jaws with a sideways motion. They seize land animals by the feet and drag them towards the water. After crocodiles mate, the female lays eggs. Some types can lay up to more than 100 eggs. Green sea turtle? They are one of the world's largest species of turtle. weighing between 65 and 130 kilograms. Hermit crab. Hatchlings are born in the water and remain there for a time. They molt up to 6 times to reach full crab form. Humpback calf. Ichthyosaurus. They used their fins for swimming. They lived in the sea and were incapable of returning to land. Their tails had a large crescent-shaped fin. Leatherback turtle. The leatherback shell is leathery. It feels almost rubbery. Liopleurodon was a large species of pliosaur. It was an apex predator in the Upper Jurassic seas around 160 to 155 million years ago. It grew to about 6.5 meters and it was a relative of Pliosaurus and Kronosaurus. Lobster. They have 2 big claws and 8 walking legs. Megalodon ruled the seas from about 17 million years ago up to almost 3 million years ago. This colossal predator reached lengths of up to 20 meters. The only marine animal ever to outweigh the massive megalodon is the blue whale, which weighs up to 200 tons, which would be just more than double the size of megalodon. Its jaws could open wide enough to swallow 2 adults standing side by side. Giant squid. Along with their cousin the colossal squid, they have beach ball-sized eyes. Their eyes are the largest eyes in the animal kingdom and are about 10 inches or 25 centimeters in diameter. Their big eyes help them to spy objects in the dark depths where most of them live. Blue-ringed octopus. They are usually nocturnal, emerging at night to hunt crustaceans and small fish. The brightly coloured rings are a warning to would-be predators. Blue sea dragon swallows air bubbles that allow it to float on the ocean surface upside down. So the interesting blue and white colour is actually the bottom side of the blue dragon. Seahorse. They come in many colours, varying from grey, orange, brown, yellow, red and black. Shrimp. They will eat algae, dead and living plants, worms, fish, snails and other dead shrimp. Cuttlefish. Coelursuchus. Basilosaurus. Basilisk. Octopus baby. Kronosaurus. Sea star. Mosasaurus. Axolotl. Emperor penguin and chick. Horseshoe crab. Nautilus. Helicoprion. Zephactinus. Orthoceras. Belemnite. Ammonite pleuroceras. Nautilus. Sea elephant. Manatee. Salmon. Red-eared slider turtle. Goblin sharks. sailfish, trilobite, sea lion, largemouth bass, piranha, narwhal, ammonite Cretoxyrhina, weedy sea dragon. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read and will always reply to your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.